Hey guys, it's Sarah. So I got my hands on a couple of Popmart's Digimon Adventures fridge magnets. So these guys are going to be, well, the champion, right? So let's start off with what we have here. I got four of them. Hopefully some of the ones I really want is obviously the Gabumon line, the Garurumon, the Metal Garurumon, the Greymon, Agumon line, and the War Greymon. And then everyone's favorite, I'm sure, Anjamon and Tailmon. So Tailmon is the Japanese name for Gatomon. Gatomon's the American name, so for those who don't know. And then Bertramon's cute. Um, the only one I really don't want is Kabuterimon, just mainly because I have a fear of bugs. So having that in my room is a little scary. So hopefully we don't end up getting Kabuterimon, because otherwise I'm gonna have to give them away. So yeah, let's open them up and see what we get. Oh, these boxes are pretty easy to open. Alright, first one. We got Greymon! He's so cute. I know he's supposed to be a ferocious dinosaur, but he's a cute dinosaur. So you can see the paint job is really well done. It's very precise. All of his stripes are there, his eyes. They are really, really well painted. So this is the first one. Okay, and the next one I'm going to grab is, he had his own little adventure, as you notice. So hopefully we'll get something good out of him. It's Bertramon! I have an orange theme going on right now. That's Bertramon. You can see the paint and a couple of the feathers here. This is really nice. It's actually really cute. So that's Bertramon. Oh, this one's really fat. It's probably Kakumon, isn't it? It is. No, it's Gatomon! Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, she's so angry, but cute angry. So there she is. She has her tail ring. The details are amazing on these. Alright, last one. Oh, I really hope it's a Gabumon line. I really want a Gabumon line. Oh, more fun packets. Alright. Wish me luck, guys! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! We got Garurumon! Oh my gosh! He is so ferociously cute! Paint job is amazing. But this is gorgeous. His giant nose. Gotta love his little boop nose. So this is Garurumon. So yeah, this is our 4. I think we got a really good set of 4 here. Thankfully, no Kabuterimon. Sorry, nothing against Kabuterimon, just bugs. Bugs are not my friend. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed what we pulled today. And if you guys are looking to pick up any of the Digimons, Popmart has them on their site. So yeah, enjoy. Have a good day, guys.